A double murder suspect says he did not do it, and his co-defendants are setting him up. 15-year-old Courvoisier Sims is accused of killing teens, James Starr and Brandon Phelps. Police tell us one of the victims was a murder suspect in a different crime. CD reporter Jake Wazakowski joins us with the details. Jake?
Jen, Douglas County Judge Susan Baezes finds enough evidence to move Courvoisier Sims to trial during a preliminary hearing today. The defense says it's likely the victims made the first move. December 9th, two teens found dead inside an SUV outside the Ernie Chambers Court Apartments near 16th and Yates. Police say 15-year-old Courvoisier Sims went to buy a gun from the victims for $150 when he killed them. Cousins Warren and Martin Anderson, charged as accessories, allegedly helped Sims flee from the scene and hide the murder weapon and the weapon taken from the victims. The defense argued whoever the shooter was acted in self-defense, since the victims may have been setting them up for a robbery. One of the Andersons told investigators that Sims said, quote, Starr told him he wasn't getting the gun and wasn't leaving with the money. Both victims were shot in the head, but the gun Starr was going to sell was also fired into Starr's leg.
If you believe what the evidence was and that Courvoisier was present, then it's a instantaneous shooting where he was being robbed.
I don't know if there was a setup, but obviously there was some interaction between them prior to him entering that car, either to buy a gun or to get a gun.
Detectives reveal that one victim, Starr, was a suspect in other homicides and armed robberies. In fact, police say Starr was suspected and had the murder weapon after Tommy Harden was killed at Adams Park in January 2015.
And I mean, it's possible. I mean, there's that possibility because of the activity that all these parties were involved in.
Davis says it could have been the Andersons who shot the victims and made up a story to blame Sims.
Hey, you got these older gangbangers blaming this little 15-year-old kid for the shooting.
But prosecutors say Sims' fingerprints were found in the SUV and his juvenile probation GPS tracking device puts him near the scene. Sims and Martin Anderson are being held at the Douglas County Youth Center because they are under 18 years old. Warren Anderson is at the jail. Neither families for the victims or the suspect would comment after court. Reporting live in the News Center, Jake Wazakowski, KMTV Action 3 News.
1 million